we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of JuzhiAnn upgraded version, smoke carbon monoxide alarm detector. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include. Upgraded version dual sensor keep your safety. Compared with most carbon monoxide smoke detectors on the market, which all use sensors with a 3-year lifespan, the detector uses sensors with a 10-year lifespan. So the product has a longer service life. The combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector detects both smoke and carbon monoxide faster and more accurately using a photoelectric smoke sensor and an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, protecting your home from 2 potentially deadly threats. LCD digital displays and multi-directional sensing hole. The informative LCD will show you the battery level and real-time carbon monoxide levels in ppm, parts per million. If there is fire and carbon monoxide with a concentration over 0.1% dB/m, the blue light flashes rapidly. If carbon monoxide is detected, the red light will flash. Dense gas sensing holes can prevent alarms from causing false alarms and reduce your worries. Battery operated and easy installation. This carbon monoxide alarm is powered by 3x 1.5 volt AA batteries, not included. Easy to mount this combo smoke and carbon monoxide detector with the included mounting bracket, screws, and anchor plugs. Test mode button and loud alarm. It allows you to easily know the working status of the smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. You can press the test button to inspect the alarm weekly. Alarm volume, loud less 85 decibels at 3 meters. The loud 85 decibel alarm is designed to be heard easily. When encountering a non-emergency situation, false alarms occur, you can immediately press the test button and the LED light will flash 10 seconds, indicating that it has entered the silent mode. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.